Today, we'll be installing your Blindsgalore Sheer Shades. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. Also, confirm your shades fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. Our first installation step is to mark the drill sites for the brackets. We recommend measuring at least 3 inches from each side of the window frame for proper clearance and potential adjustments. Drill the marked points, and then screw in the brackets. Lift the headrail and slide the front side of the bracket into the top groove with the plastic lock tab on top. Then push the headrail backward. Sliding both tabs to the right ensures the headrail is locked into position. Test your shades by raising and lowering slowly to ensure even movement. We also want to check for proper tension by stopping it mid-window. Open the vanes by pulling on the bottom rail, confirming proper function. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.